Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel. So students, today I'm going to give you IELTS exam prediction for 18th December 2021. This is the last second exam in the month of December, and on this date we have academic and a general training exam. So let's start our prediction with the listening. In part 1, fill in the blanks, and that could be easy. Part 2 could be easy to moderate with some small multiple choice questions. And for the part 3, there will be large multiple choice questions and a matching to do. That could be easy. And part 4 of listening, fill in the blanks, easy to moderate. Your overall listening for the 18th December examination could be easy to moderate. For the reading module, we're gonna talk about academic reading first. In academic reading for 18 December, your passage 1 could have choose the correct options, also few true false not given, and few list of headings, and that could be easy to moderate. In passage 2, fill in the blanks and match the paragraph with information, and passage 2 could be moderate. And passage 3, there could be yes, no, not givens and fill in the blanks, and passage 3 could be moderate. Your overall reading academic for 18 December could be moderate. If we talk about the journal training reading, then passage 1 could be easy to moderate, and passage 2 and 3 could be little moderates. Passage 1 could have yes, no, not given, just a few fill in the blanks and choose the correct options. Passage 2, match the info with the para, list of headings, and yes, no, not given. For the passage 3, true, false, not given, summary completion, and choose the correct option from the given. Your overall reading journal training could be moderate. Further, moving on to the writing. Task 1 for the academic IELTS exam, line table bar pi. For the journal training exam in task 1, informal letter. If we talk about the task 2, then topics could be related to health, history, technology, society, education, work, and people. Further guys, writing task 2 predicted topics from October to December 2021 video is already available on the channel, and you guys can watch this video and see if you have ideas about these topics. And also the new cue cards list is also available on the channel from September to December 2021. That video is also on the channel for you guys to watch. And also the detailed videos of each and every card has been published on the channel and are still being in process to be published on the channel. So you can watch those videos to memorize and take some ideas that if you get this kind of cue card, what you need to speak about. So guys, this is the prediction for the 18th December 2021. If you like this video, then please click on the like button, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Do hit the bell icon so that you get notification when we publish any other videos. For anything else, please leave a comment below. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.